I'm in that holy October 11, 1957 inherited Bible that my great uncle gave to my great aunt who raised my mother. It's an older version of a King James Bible, so it's a very much harder to read, but I will read it for you. We in Genesis chapter 10. Now we know before the flood, the earth was a lot different. All the continents were united as one called Pangea. During the flood, tectonic plates shifted in the earth. Tsunamis, hurricanes, and typhoons. So that's why everything is underground, because continents were clashing into each other. So now we see the aftermath to this and how the world is getting populated. In Genesis chapter 10, the generation of Noah and his sons. Chapter 10, verse 1. Now these are the generations of the sons
Genesis
of Noah,
10.
Shem, Ham, and Japheth. And unto them were the sons born after the flood. The sons of Japheth was Gomer, Magog, and Media, and Javan, Tubal, Meshech, and Taras. And the sons of Gomer was Ashkenaz, Riphath, Togarmah. And the sons of Javans were Elihas, Tarshish, Kittim, Dadanim. And by these were the isles of the Gentiles divided in their lands, every one after his tongue, after their families and their nations. And the sons of Hams, Cush, Mizraim, and Phut, and Canaan. And the sons of Cush, Seba, Havilah, and Sabta, and Ramah, Sabbatecha. And the sons of Ramah were Sheba, and Dedan. And the Cush begot Nimrod. He began to be a mighty one on the earth. He was a mighty hunter before the Lord. Wherefore it is said, even as Nimrod, the mighty hunter before the Lord. In the beginning of his kingdoms was Babel, and Erech, a seed, Calnan, in the land of Shinar. And out of that land went forth Ashur, and Baldan, and Nineveh, the city of Rehoboth, Calah. And Rezon between Nineveh, Calas, the same is the great city. And Mizraim begot Ladam, Anamam, and Lahabam, Nephatuhem, and Pathahasem, Casalahem, and out of the womb, and out of whom came the Philistines, and Caphataram, and Canaan begot Saddams and his firstborn, and Heth, and Jebusites, and the Amorites, and the Girgashites, and the Hivites, and Archites, the Sidonites, and the Arvadites, and the Zemarites, and the Hamathites. And afterwards were the families of the Canaanites spread abroad. And the borders of the Canaanites was from Sidon, as thou comest to Gero, unto Gaza, as thou goest unto Sodom and Gomorrah, and Admar, and Zebulun, even unto Lachish. These are the sons of Hams and their families after their tongues, and their countries, and their nations. Unto Shem also the father of all the children of Eber, the brother of Japheth, the elder, even to him were children born. The children of Shem, Elam, Ashur, and Araphax, Lud, and Aram. And the children of Aram, Uz, Hul, and Gether, and Mash. And Araphax begot Salah, and Salah begot Eber. And unto Eber were born two sons. The name of one was Peleg, and for in his days was the earth divided, and his brother's name was Joktan. And Joktan begot Amadad, and Shelapath, and Hazar Maveth, and Jerah, and Hadaram, and Uzzah, and Diklah, and Obel, and Abamel, and Sheba, and Orpha, and Havilah, and Jobab. And all these were the sons of Joktan. And their dwelling was from Mesha, as thou goest unto Sephar, a mount of the east. And these are the sons of Shams, and after their families, and after their tongues, and in land after their nations. These are the families of the sons of Noah, after their generations, and their generations. And by these were the generations divided in the earth after the flood.